As you're charting your path with a new situation where you're accepting the presence of a accompanying illness that's with you now, I'm wondering what has anchored you as far as things that have anchored you to push forward. Like, what have you use to drive your pursuits of things? Like, because sometimes it's hard for people to say, I'm going to be okay with this pretty significant headache situation on board with me. What keeps you moving forward with this passenger now that's accompanying you on your journey of life?
I wrote about it at some point that I was imagining myself that I walked down a mountain path, a narrow path, and then you're walking beside yourself. And at some point, the you fell overboard, and the other you grabs your hand and clings to you. And I used that for myself to have this. You have two choices now. You can cling to the old self who's hanging outside cliff and risk of being getting tired and fall with him, or you can take that sorrow who will come if you just let go. Of course, there's sorrow. Of course, there's a new situation, a new day you have to live by. But you're saving the best part of yourself, the strong part. You're saving a part where you'll be able to make a new version of yourself. And that was my mantra. I kept thinking on that I did not want to live my life where I felt that my disease was the master. I did not want to live like that. And especially looking at my wife and my two small kids, I also thought that I owed them to try my very best to actually keep moving forward.